today we will continue our reading. Okay, so open page number 27 and which block we are reading? Our block is 21. Okay, so today we will start our reading from this line. Effect of push and pull means when we are pushing anything, when we are pushing anything, what will happen to a thing? When we are pulling anything, what will happen to a thing? But student, before starting our reading, let's revise what we studied in the last class. In the last class, we studied about what is a push and pull. I can revise you with the help of an example. When you are opening a door, you are, pulling the door, and when you are closing the door, you are pushing the door. Okay students, so that is a push and pull. Today we will study about what are the effects of push and pull. Students, you all play with clay or dough. आप clay और dough से सब लोग खेलते हो ना? Okay, you all play with dough. Dough इस तरीके का होता है and you can make many shapes from the clay or dough. You can make many shapes from the clay and dough. So how we can make shapes from dough? By पुशिंग और पुलिंग. प्रेस करके उस डो को हम अलग अलग शेप कैसे बनाते हैं? उसको प्रेस करके या उसको खींच के. ओके, सो टुडे वी विल स्टडी अबाउट इफेक्ट्स ऑफ पुश एंड पुल. A push or a pull is called a force. So beta, when we are pushing anything, when we are pulling anything, that is a force. Okay, a force, a push or a pull can change the shape of thing. When we are pushing or pulling anything, that can change the shape of thing. Okay, shape जो है ना किसी भी चीज का वो change हो जाएगा. Like when we stretch a rubber band. Okay, what example? When we stretch a rubber band, I have this rubber band, so I am pulling this rubber band and making enlarged. Okay, I am pulling, मैं खींच रही हूँ ना इसको. ओके, इसका शेप जो है वो चेंज हो गया. येस और नो? व्हेन आई एम पुलिंग दिस रबर बैंड, शेप चेंज. ओके, एंड व्हेन वी क्रम्पल अ पीस ऑफ पेपर, आई हैव दिस पीस ऑफ पेपर एंड व्हेन आई क्रम्पल दिस पीस ऑफ पेपर बाय पुशिंग इट, द शेप ऑफ पेपर आल्सो चेंज. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, so a force is a push or pull and which can change the shape of anything. Okay, a force can also change in movement. So number one is push and pull can change the shape of thing, and number two is change in movement, means a thing can move. Okay, like it can stop moving things. Okay, push और pull करके हम क्या कर सकते हैं? चीजों को move करने से stop कर सकते हैं. Okay, it can slow things down. चीजों को slow कर सकते हैं. Okay, it can speed things. It can make things change the direction. Like I have this toy, auto toy. Okay, it can, ये suppose this auto is moving, it can stop by pushing or pulling. It can slow things, slow कर सकते हैं. It can speed up with the help of pushing. When I am pushing this auto of speed of auto is increased. Okay beta, so in this way we can stop moving thing, we can slow things down, we can speed things up, we can make things change the direction. For example, when a player hit a tennis ball, the speed of ball increase. Okay, and when a footballer catch a ball coming toward him, footballer जो है वो ball को catch करता है. Okay, then the moving ball is stopped. Okay students, so push and pull can change the shape of thing or direction of the moving thing. Okay students, So read this page carefully and we will meet in the next class. Okay students, bye bye.